Hello beautiful people, your boy Luis here again with another wonderful product from the ANNKE family. This time I got the AI Floodlight cam. This cam comes with HD full 1080p, AI algorithm, motion detection, 127 degrees FOV, and some other wonderful features that ANNKE always gives us when it comes to their products. Now, let's open it up and see what's inside. First, of course, we're gonna have our manual, right? And this sticker that will tell everyone that you are protected by ANNKE. Now, here you have a box with the accessories and some hardware that you will use to install the floodlight, right? So, some screwdrivers, screws, wire nuts and whatnot. So this is going to be important when you install it. Now, the camera itself, as you can see, very nice, very cool design, and the mounting plate. All right then. This design, this camera is really cool. It's a very nice design, and if you don't like it black because probably your home, the facade or the colors are different, you can always purchase it in white. So you have the two options, guys. And that's it for today. This is the AI Floodlight cam. So you guys, as you can see, this cam is a very nice product with a slick design. Here you have the two LED lights, of course, the camera itself here, and the sensor. What else I can say about it is the housing. The housing is strong metal, of course, heavy duty. You can put it outside your house or your property. You do not have to worry about anything because it's weatherproof as well. So this is it. This is the ANNKE AI Floodlight cam. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how to do a quick setup of our floodlight camera. In this case, we're gonna use, as an example, this extension cable. It's gonna be very easy. There are two cables coming out from the floodlight cam, and it's normally you will have black and white. It doesn't really matter right now for the purpose of this example. So we're gonna just tighten them up together. We're gonna use our cable nuts that come with the accessory box in the product. Now also the ground cable, we're gonna tighten it up with the wire nut, nice and snug until they don't come off. That's very important because we don't want them to come out. Now we're gonna plug it onto the power right there. As you can see, the lights came up, so the camera it's already on. We're gonna wait for a few seconds until the lights go off, and what we can do in the meantime is download the app and register an account, and after that we have to scan here the QR code because we have to add up the device on the app. Let's see.
Connecting the Wi-Fi.
You see, that's the sign that we are connecting the Wi-Fi here. So now the device is on the app. Now here in this window, in this part, we have to type the password that we're gonna. We have to use the password where the device is gonna be connected on. Right, in this case, well, I'm just gonna type the numbers that I need now. Confirm. And that's gonna take a few seconds until the app tells us that we are on it. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna call it front. That's it. That's gonna be the name, and it's right there. It's connected, and it will be recording right now. So here the seconds are going up, so that means the device is well connected, and that's how easy you connect the floodlight cam. So here in this plus button, when you tap it, you get many options of how to handle the floodlight cam. For example, this is one of the most important functions. You set up the alarm from anywhere you are after you see that there's somebody probably near your property, so you just tap that and then the alarm goes off. Also the light, you can control it, and recording, and the two-way audio. So that's it, guys. Here it is. Very easy to control, very easy to manage this AI floodlight cam.